What if a future comes where the chips powering your phone, your car, and even computers in space are all made by a single company? Then who would really control global technology? And what if I told you that Elon Musk is already working toward that vision? Yes, you heard it right. Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI are planning a massive chip project called Terafab. If this project succeeds, it could completely reshape AI, robotics, and even space technology. But the real question is this project realistic or just another ambitious dream? Before we dive deeper, if you find this interesting, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and share it with others, because this news could shape who controls the future of technology. Now let's get into the real story. Elon Musk has announced plans to build an advanced tech fabrication facility in Austin, Texas. This Terafab will be capable of designing, testing, and manufacturing all types of chips under one roof. Both Tesla and SpaceX will collaborate on this project with a key goal: producing their own chips instead of relying on external suppliers. Musk has clearly stated, if we don't make our own chips, we may not have chips in the future. That shows how serious the current semiconductor shortage and dependency issues are. The biggest ambition of the Terafab project is to generate 1 terawatt of computing power per year. In simple terms, that's enough power to run massive AI systems, advanced robots, and even space-based data centers. The factory is expected to produce 2 main types of chips: chips for cars, robotaxis, and humanoid robots like Optimus. Ultra-powerful chips designed for space use by SpaceX and xAI. One of the most fascinating ideas is Musk's vision of building AI data centers in space. The plan includes launching small satellites that can process data independently. Each satellite could generate around 100 kilowatts of power, potentially scaling up to megawatt levels in the future. However, there are major challenges. Building chip fabrication plants is extremely expensive and complex. It can cost billions of dollars and take years to become fully operational. Also, Musk has made bold promises in the past that didn't always meet their original timelines. So, the big question remains, will Terafab truly become a game changer for the future, or will it remain just another ambitious vision? What do you think? Can Elon Musk really build his own chip empire? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.